Alright, hey, this is Hans coming at you with another unboxing time with the Ramen Rater. Today I've got a package from Mexico. This is a package of cup noodles, a new variety from Mexico. Let's crack this big thing open and check it out. 3 flats of instant noodles from Mexico, all cup noodles. Let's check them out. First we have Alitas Hot. I have no idea. I figured I'll just crack each one open. We can take a look at one of the cups from each and then look at them all together. So here's one. This is a whole, it's a line of extra spicy varieties. Yeah, and they're cup noodles. They're the same kind of cup as you're used to in the US, but they're special. These are super spicy. Intensidad que te prende. Yeah, cool. Next one up is Camarón Fuego, which means fire shrimp or fiery shrimp. Those are 2 words I understand in Spanish. So yeah, this will be a spicy shrimp variety. Looking forward to trying these as well, as I am a big fan of shrimp. And finally we have Diablo. And yeah, my guess, Diablo, I've heard of like Diablo the bull, the devil. This is the devil heat right here, folks. I'm stoked. I can't wait to try this one. Cool. Well, thank you to Sandra and Ricardo for making this happen. I've been dying to try these for a little while and they showed up yesterday, so I'm pretty stoked. Alright, well, you'll be seeing some cooking times and spicy noodle mukbangs of these shortly. Alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Rater, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles every day. Have a good one. Bye.